if you are one that believes in Santa, God bless you, but I hate to throw science into it, but this show is known for its scientific discoveries and discussions that usually just run on and on and on, with Dr. Stephen Hawking. We ask him, do you believe in Santa? Does he exist? What's the math behind delivering the presents all around the world in just one night? What are the Santa physics?
Thank you for having me on the program. Merry Christmas.
Dr. Hawking, I know you have crunched the numbers on Santa to see what it takes to be the jolly old elf in one night. Let's look at those numbers, but let's start with the reindeer.
Well, Glenn, no known species of reindeer can fly. But there are 300,000 species of living organisms yet to be classified. And while most of these are insects and germs, this does not completely rule out flying reindeer, which only Santa has seen. To learn of the existence of Santa Claus, you must first dissect the physics of what he claims to accomplish. You know, that whole delivering presents to kids crap. Alright, so there are 2 billion children in the world. But because Santa is a known anti-Semite, he doesn't bother to stop for Muslim, Hindu, Buddhist, and Jewish children, so that reduces the workload to 15% of the total, 378 million or so. At an average rate of 3.5 children per household, that's 91.8 million homes. Now, the big fat man has 31 hours of Christmas to work with, thanks to time zones and the rotation of the Earth, assuming he travels east to west. This works out to 822.6 visits per second. This is to say that for each Christian household with good children, Santa has 1/1000th of a second to park, hop out of the sleigh, jump down the chimney, fill the stockings, distribute the remaining gifts under the tree, eat the snacks, get back up the chimney, get back in the sleigh, and move on to the next house. This would be pretty difficult, Glenn. Santa's sleigh is traveling at 650 miles per second, 3,000 times the speed of sound. My wheelchair doesn't even go that fast. Plus, even if each present weighed only 2 pounds, that's 353,000 tons traveling at 650 miles per second. With the air resistance, the reindeer would heat up in the same manner as a spacecraft re-entering the Earth's atmosphere. The lead pair of reindeer will absorb 14.2 quintillion joules of energy per second each. In short, they will burst into flame almost instantaneously, exposing the next pair of reindeer, and creating deafening sonic booms in their wake. The entire team will be vaporized within 4.26 thousandths of a second.
Now, wait a minute, Dr. Hawking. If what you say is true, and we have no reason to doubt, this isn't looking good for those of us who believe in Santa.
With this information, the average person would not believe in the existence of Santa. But I am not one of those people. Make no mistake about it. I know Santa exists.
Well, there it is. We'll see you in January '04.
This is the Glenn Beck
Thanks for a
program.
great year.